Hey everyone, if you're tired of boring breakfasts, I've got the perfect fix for you. Crispy potatoes, fluffy eggs, and a whole lot of flavor packed into one delicious dish. Let's make a golden egg and potato skillet. So let's jump right in. All right, now you have to crack 2 or more eggs into a bowl. Mix it together till you get that golden creamy color you're looking for. Then go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix together for the last time. Now, it's time to get our potatoes sliced, and you have to make sure you get it sliced in a smaller portion to enable it cook quick. And once that is being done, then we have to transfer them into our cooking pot, where we will be cooking it for 4 to 5 minutes. While our potato is still boiling, let's get our vegetable cut. Adding vegetable makes it so delicious, but the choice is yours. As for me, I always goes with vegetable in this particular recipe. After slicing our vegetables, it's time to check on our potato, because it should be getting done by now. Once it's done, then you have to bring it down from the gas. And now this is where the magic is going to happen. Now for the magic to happen, put the boiled potato into a bowl, match it so smooth, add a bit of butter and mix it together. Now let's top it off with some shredded cheese or some green onions leaf. But first, let's get our green onions leaf cut. Maybe you can add a little hot sauce if you're feeling spicy. Add the sliced onions leaf together with the potato. Mix them until all of them blend together, then get your tomatoes ready. Slice it and add it together for a sweet and delicious flavor. After adding all our vegetables together with the potatoes, now it's time to get the egg ready. Add a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, then stir together. Before you move to the next step, add a cup of wheat flour. To make it thick, then mix together with the egg. Time to crank up the flavor. Toss in your chopped onion and garlic. Sauté everything until it's soft and fragrant. About 5 more minutes. If you have some carrots, you can chop them into smaller portions. Add it to the onion and toss together. Now this is the final part, and you don't want to miss any of the steps. Now I have to fry some eggs that will be used in making our potato recipe so crispy and so yummy. Get the potato recipe into the egg that you have just fried. Now mold it to any shape you want it to be. Then heat up a good glug of olive oil in a skillet over a medium heat. Add in your diced potatoes. We're going for golden and crispy here, so don't rush it. Let the heat and the oil do their thing. And there you have it, your new favorite breakfast, the golden egg and potato skillet. Crispy, creamy, savory, and oh so satisfying. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, and subscribe for more easy, tasty recipes. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.